Most people don't waste money. They lose it without noticing. The paycheck comes in. Bills are paid. A few small purchases here and there. And then, before the month ends, the money is gone. No emergencies. No big purchases. Just gone. If you've ever wondered, where does my money actually go? This video will answer that question. Today, you'll learn a simple money system called zero-based budgeting, a method that helps everyday people take full control of their finances by giving every single dollar a job. This is not about earning more. This is not about cutting all joy. This is about clarity, control, and confidence. Problem: why money feels out of control. Most people believe they have a money problem, but in reality, they have a system problem. Money is emotional. Spending happens automatically. And without a clear plan, money leaks silently. Small expenses don't feel dangerous. Food delivery, subscriptions, random shopping. But these small amounts add up quietly. Another reason people struggle is this belief: I'll budget once I earn more. But income doesn't fix money problems. Structure does. Without a plan, more income usually means more spending. Traditional budgets often fail because they are too vague. They focus on tracking the past. They rely on self-control. Zero-based budgeting works because it plans before the money is spent. Problem identification. So why do most budgets fail? Because most people approach budgeting backward. Here's what typically happens. You get paid. You pay your bills. You buy groceries. You grab coffee, fill up gas, order takeout a few times. Then you check your account and go, okay, I have $200 left. I guess I can afford to spend that. You're tracking what you spent, but you never decided in advance what you wanted to spend. This is reactive budgeting. It's like driving a car by only looking in the rearview mirror. And here's why this keeps people stuck. Without a plan, every purchase feels like a question: can I afford this? You don't know because you haven't assigned your money a role yet. So you guess. Sometimes you guess wrong. Overdraft fees, debt and stress. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, not always because they don't earn enough, but because they don't have a system to manage what they do earn. Then there are the invisible expenses: car registration, birthday gifts, annual subscriptions, that dental appointment. These aren't surprises, they're just unplanned. And when they hit, they wreck your budget because you never saved for them. But what if, instead of reacting to your spending, you could direct it? What if, before the month even started, you knew exactly where every dollar was going and you felt totally in control? That's what zero-based budgeting does. It flips the script. Instead of wondering where your money went, you tell your money where to go. Every single dollar gets a job. Bills, savings, debt repayment, groceries, fun money, all planned in advance. And when your money has a job, you stop feeling guilty about spending because you already decided it was okay. What zero-based budgeting really means. Zero-based budgeting is a planning system. It means every dollar earned is given a purpose before it is spent. The goal is simple. Income minus expenses equals zero. This does not mean spending everything. It means nothing is left unassigned. Every category has intention: living expenses, saving, debt repayment, enjoyment. Zero-based budgeting removes guessing. Instead of wondering where money went, the plan already knows. Common myths about zero-based budgeting. Myth 1. Zero-based budgeting is restrictive. Reality: it creates freedom by removing uncertainty. Myth 2. You need high income to budget. Reality: budgeting matters more at lower incomes. Myth 3. It's too complicated. Reality: it's simpler than tracking every expense later. Myth 4. Budgeting means no fun. Reality: fun money is planned without guilt. How to build a zero-based budget step by step. Step 1. Calculate monthly income. Use only guaranteed income. Variable income should be budgeted conservatively. Step 2. List fixed expenses first. These are non-negotiable. Housing, utilities, insurance, minimum debt payments. Step 3. Plan variable spending categories. Include groceries, fueling, huddling, shopping. Overestimate slightly for safety. Step 4. Assign savings early. Savings must be planned, not hoped for. Even small amounts matter. Step 5. Assign debt payments strategically. Extra payments should be intentional. Debt disappears faster when planned. Step 6. Include personal enjoyment. A budget without enjoyment is unsustainable. Fun is a category, not a mistake. Step 7. Assign every dollar until you hit zero. Now comes the magic. Subtract each expense from your income until you reach zero. Let's say you earn total fixed expenses, $2,000. Total variable expenses, $800. Irregular expense savings, $200. Emergency fund, $150. Debt payoff, $400. Retirement, $200. Fund money, $150, and buffer, $100. Total amount is $4,000. If we subtract all expenses from total income, there will be $0 remain. Perfect. Every dollar has a job. What if you have money left over? Assign it. Extra debt payment, bigger emergency fund contribution, vacation fund. Give it a purpose. What if your expenses are more than your income? You have two options. Cut expenses. Look for non-essentials you can reduce or eliminate temporarily. Increase income. Side hustle. Sell unused items. Ask for overtime. Be honest and realistic. If you budget $50 for groceries but actually spend $400, your budget will fail. Use real numbers based on your actual spending. Step 8. Choose your tracking method. Now, pick how you'll track your budget. Option 1. Pen and paper simple, tactile, no learning curve. Write your budget at the start of the month and track spending in a notebook. Option 2. Spreadsheet free, customizable, visual. Google Sheets and Excel templates are available everywhere. I'll link free templates in the description. Option 3. Budgeting apps. In YNAB, you need a budget built specifically for zero-based budgeting. Syncs with your bank. Costs $14.99 per month but offers a free trial at every dollar. Dave Ramsey's app. Free version available. Premium syncs with bank accounts. Good budget. Digital envelope system. Free for up to 10 envelopes. Mint. Free, automatic tracking, but not true zero-based budgeting. My recommendation? Start simple. Use a spreadsheet or notebook for the first month to understand the process. Then graduate to an app if you want automation. Track throughout the month. Check your budget weekly, every Sunday or mid-month and month-end. This keeps you aware and allows you to adjust if you're overspending in one category. What results look like over time? After 30 days, awareness improves. Fewer money surprises. Less stress. After 6 months, savings begin to grow. Debt decreases. Spending becomes intentional. After 1 year, emergency fund exists. Financial confidence increases. Money decisions feel calm. Conclusion. Here's what I want you to take away from this. Zero-based budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about intention. It's about finally knowing where your money goes and deciding, actively, purposefully, that it aligns with what matters to you. You're not giving up control to a budget. You're taking control with a budget. Every dollar you earn is a tool. And when you give it a job, paying off debt, building savings, funding your dreams, you stop wondering where your money went and start watching it work for you. Will it take effort at first? Will you make mistakes? Probably. But will it change your financial life? Absolutely. Imagine 3 months from now, You've built a $1,000 emergency fund. You've paid off a credit card. You took a weekend trip without guilt because you planned for it. That's what zero-based budgeting can do. So here's my challenge to you. Before this month ends, create your first zero-based budget. Start simple. Give it a real try for 90 days. I've linked free budget templates, app recommendations, and a printable guide in the description below. Everything you need to get started is right there. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical personal finance content. Drop a comment and let me know, what's the biggest budgeting challenge you're facing? I read every comment and I'd love to help. You've got this. Your money is waiting for you to tell it what to do. Let's give every dollar a job.